For years, I've designated sugar as the devil, the number one dietary evil, a true destroyer of health. Eliminating sugar is different from other habits. You really need to move swiftly. In this lesson, I implore you to quit sugar. Sugar puts you on the fast track to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, autoimmune disorders, and a litany of other avoidable, life-altering diseases. It also wreaks havoc on your brain. In fact, many people are calling Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes. In short, you get old fast. On the surface, sugar reduces collagen and elasticity in the skin and causes premature aging, wrinkles, and dull skin. Not the healthy glow we're all longing for. By quitting sugar, you'll start to enjoy more benefits than you can imagine. Weight loss, decreased diabetes risk, improved blood pressure and lipid levels, fewer headaches, less anxiety and depression, less brain fog, less cognitive decline, and better sleep. Join me in curbing this toxin from your diet and enjoy these multitude of benefits.